Hey there, it's me, Lottie, and today what we're gonna do, as crazy as it may seem, is we are gonna plant some garlic. Now, I'm not sure if I'm too late, but I had read somewhere, like on Facebook, that as long as the ground isn't frozen, that it could still go in. And we had a cold snap that resulted in all of this. But it is kind of warm today. It's in the 30s and it's supposed to continue to warm up. So I said, hey, why not take a chance, right? So this is the spot that I had cleared earlier, a couple weeks ago, in anticipation of putting garlic in the ground, or at least getting the weed cover down, which I did not do. However, I cleared some spaces and we're going to plant some garlic. So, as you can see, the ground is nowhere near frozen. So, I'm doing these about 2 inches apart. I've already planted quite a bit. Just wanted to document this in case it goes well. You plant them with the pointy side up, the root end to the bottom. This is some organic garlic that I got from the grocery store. So this is truly an experiment. I'm gonna pop that right in there. Boop. Let's get another one. Boop. And let's get another one. Okay, and I'm gonna cover them up. Ooh, this dirt still smells amazing. It smells great. So, like I said, I've already planted about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, probably about 18 or 20 cloves. Now, we'll see what happens. I'm not even going to mulch this. I've read different things about whether to mulch or not to mulch. So, hey, we'll see. So like I said, this is truly an experiment. But I tell you what, it felt good to be out here with my hands in the soil, or even my gloved hand. The dirt still smells so rich and good. And so we're going to see. Tune in the spring. All right. Take care. Peace.